This guy came to my work to buy a generator. I guess he had a huge project where he needed to run two grinders simultaneously all day. He asked if the generator he picked out would do the job. I told him, of course. But what are you going to be cutting? He told me that he was going to take 2.5 feet off of a bed that he picked up. And I told him, you're going to cut it with cutting wheels? He said, yeah. I told him, man, it's not going to be as easy as you think. Everything sounds straightforward until you go do it. You're going to pay two guys, 20 hours to 25 hours to run cutting wheels all day. And it's going to come out kind of sloppy. You might not get the result you want. And yeah, man, if I was you, I would hire someone with a plasma cutter. He told me he didn't know anybody with a plasma cutter. I told him my dad had a whole plasma setup, mobile welding setup. And I'd call him for him if he wanted. He said, yeah, man, of course. So right there on the sides, you can see the walls my dad cut off. And there they are again. This guy, a couple days later, decided that he wanted to use those sides on a different trailer. So he called my dad, and my dad told him that he would give him a bid. And the guy accepted, so my dad got busy after it. And here's a quick video of just what we do. Enjoy.
See, I got perfect attendance like the world that I'm living. Who am I kidding? See, cause I don't know what it's for. But tell me, the black and white, I am so perfect convoy. Yeah, well, in this game of life, I got the lowest score. And now this evolution, my pollution kicks out that revolution. I'm alive for execution. If I don't share, my presence is irrelevance. I'm evil. No, I am throwing up my hands and saying power to the people. Cause they hope I write you while I need that advice. The last of the night, found some time to set my mind right. I'm in a jam. We're having trouble trying to stand all of my plans. They found a way to sink in the sand. How did it start? I guess because the world is so dark. So true a spark. I try and find a way to change stars. Two beginnings. Got my pens, write a new ending. The rest of the world's tense to pretending. As the sky turns gray and you are, now you break me down. And you pick me back up again, not to show me how I must bend on you. Now you show me how, you show me how to pick myself off this floor, not to find what I am searching for. So now they call me a loser, a heartbreaker, an abuser. Well then I guess I am a user, and that's all that I am. And while it's hard to say if I could ever take a stance, and know to look that far astute, they must get out while you can with my life. Only as painful as I make it, guessing I'll just fake it. All the things I should have said, I regret. Hopeless for the hopeful, and I become a hopeless fool. I didn't quite know what to do while staring at the sky, asking, hope can't you just lead the way? Put me back on down the road for a more peaceful day. Like my reasons, I'm out of season, the methods out of style. I will try to take them where I've been, but don't wanna take a high. You know the youth of my nation is testing my patience. I wanna set myself free. You know that everything I could ever need was some piano keys and guitar strings and a bag of green. And you, now you break me down, you break me down. And you pick me back up again, not to show me how. Say I must bend, and you, now you show me how, you show me how to pick myself off this floor, not to find what I am searching for, searching for, searching for. Oh la da, oh la da da. This is gonna be a long ride. So wish I'd live for wishes. I call it wishful thinking. Or wishing you would say that I'll be fine. She says, wait, I'm sick of waiting. My patience quickly fading. These leaves have started changing. And so have I. And you, oh, now you break me down, break me down, and pick me back up again, not to show me how I must bend. Oh, and you know, now you show me how, you show me how to pick myself off this floor, not find what I'm searching for, searching for, searching for. No. Oh Oh la da, oh la da da. Son, there's no dear hope. This is my life, all I've wished for, all I've wasted. This is my time, so good sensations, motivation, no regret, done drop down from the blue sky. Say no, no, you know we both tried, but that kind of life just takes so I don't know. She still wouldn't give me no time of day. So all the things that we might say, I said I've been down, yeah, I've been wasted. I don't think I've got the patience, no time of day. All the things we'd say, said I've been down, yeah, I've been wasted. I don't think I've got the patience to say what I need to say, no. Say I don't think that I can say what I need. Say no, 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 no. Oh, no, no. Say oh, ba-da, oh, no, da-da. Say I don't know what you came to do. Say I don't know what you came to do. Oh no. Say no, I don't know what you came to do. Oh no. Say I don't know what you came to do. Oh, but we came, I just don't know. All I've wished for, all I've wasted. Tell them that I just don't know, no. All that I was there to miss again. No, I just don't know, no. Time that I've been down and out. Tell them that I just don't know. I was thinking it'd take all my life, all my time, I know. Said no, no, said no, no. Tell them that I just don't know. Say no, no, say oh. Say tell them that I just don't back down. You know that you're my angel, I smile. Though you know my heart's will take a while, but I am stumbling. Whole time that I've been growing, and I don't know how the hell I didn't notice. Now I'm running, stumbling, trying to keep up. Girl, I am fumbling, tossing and turning all night, but I'll follow through without a doubt. Yeah, and this is what I found out. That I say all I've wished for, all I've wasted. I just don't know. All the chances I was there to miss again. No, I just don't know. All the times that I've been down and out. Tell them that I just don't know. Say I was thinking it'd take all my life, all my time, I know. Say no, no, say no, no. Oh, tell them that I just don't know. I say no, 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 no. Say tell them that I just don't. Tell them that I just don't. It's all I've wished for, all I've wasted. Tell them that I just don't know.